Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of PopXO Look Like a Star. And today's Look Like a Star episode is a little different than our usual Look Like a Star videos because I am not just recreating a celebrity's makeup look, but I'm actually following her do her makeup. So today we're celebrating one of my most favorite celebrities' birthday, which is Kim Kardashian West. I am literally obsessed with her. That woman is so beautiful. I just love her makeup sense, her fashion sense, her business sense. She's literally been somebody I look up to. But today's video is not about how much I love Kim Kardashian, but it is about me trying to follow her, do her signature makeup look for a work from home day. Yes, you heard me right. This is a look that she did for a work from home day, which is completely opposite from what a normal person would do on a work from home day, because we literally sit in our pajamas and work all day in our bed. But obviously she is Kim Kardashian and she looks flawless, on point, glam all the time. So watch me follow her and create this flawless Kim Kardashian inspired look. Without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so let's start watching what she does.
Show you guys how I just do a quick little makeup sesh.
So she is using a cream base, which is something I prefer too, but she's starting with her base before doing her eyes, which I generally don't do, and also she's using a brush to apply her base. I don't do that. I usually use my beauty blender, but obviously today we're following Kim, so we do what she does. So I'm going to start by applying my base using a brush. So I'm going to be using my Revolution foundation stick and just going in with it. And then I'm going to be using my foundation brush to spread it. So I think halfway through doing her foundation, she switched to sponge. So I'm going to do that too because I am dying to use my blender right now. So I'm going to just throw this away and use my sponge. Okay, so now that our foundation is perfectly blended, let's go to the next step.
I am going to use Conceal Bake Brighten.
So she's concealing next and I'm using my Kryolan concealer. And I'm going to do the same, conceal my under eyes. And then we are going to blend it all out. Okay, so I pretty much like how my base looks right now, and we're going to go to the next step, which is baking. Not the kind of baking that I would want somebody to do for me. I would like somebody to bake me a cake and give it to me, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to be baking my under eyes.
On the sponge, like it doesn't bother me that it's a little wet.
Okay, this is exactly how I set my base. Also, I use my beauty blender, which is a little damp, to set my under eyes because I think that's just the best way. I think it is just it makes your product stay longer, and also it doesn't make it too dry. So yeah, I'm going to get my banana powder. So I'm going to be using my banana powder by Revolution, and then I'm going to be dipping my sponge and going. And I just love how it brightens my under eye like instantly, like literally instantly. Okay, so once my under eyes are set, I would generally not set any other part of my face right now. So let's see what she does.
I kind of keep that on for a second. You know what makes me feel good? And I'm using, and it broke the little spoolie.
Okay, so she did not set any other part too, which is perfect. And now she's going in with her brows. So I'm going to get a spoolie too and just brush my brows. Okay, so she is using a pencil to fill in her brows, which I generally don't do. I prefer using a powder, brow powder, to fill in my brows. So I have this pencil by My Glam, so I'm using that to fill in my brows. And the good part is that if you are traveling and you don't want to carry a spoolie separately, it comes with a spoolie. So this is very like nice because you don't need to carry like two different things for your brows, and one product can do it all for you. So yep. I generally also brush my brows once I'm done like filling them in, because I want to check if there's any spots that are left, or even if they're like patches of the product somewhere, they will just get like distributed evenly, so your brows look a little more natural, which is how I like them. So I've done my brows. Let's see what is Kim up to.
I'm going to use our contour stick, the KKW Beauty contour stick in medium.
So now we have the, I think my most favorite part, which is contouring, because then you get Kim Kardashian's jawline and cheekbones without really working out and eating all the salad that she does. So I generally use this Kryolan Cream Contour to contour my face, because this color goes perfectly on my shade. So I just usually take my finger and then just apply the product everywhere. Not everywhere, I mean wherever I would need it. And then get the nose. So now I'm going to get to blending this.
I'm going to wet my sponge really quick. It had the powder on it.
Okay, so she is also using a sponge to blend it out, which is perfect because I do the same. And the one thing that I like about what she did, in the end she went over with the same sponge on her eyes, because that's just your natural skin color, because they're the best. Like, they literally will blend everything for sure. Okay, now that my entire face is blended, I'm going to use the product on my eyes that she did, and I am already just loving how my base looks. I just love it. I just love how it looks so warm, but it's also bright. I just love it. This is pretty much done. Now let's see what is next.
I'm going to wipe my powder off.
Okay, so she is just removing the extra powder from her under eyes. We don't really have that much powder, but I'm just going to make sure that it's just gone if there is any.
Using this Surratt Beauty eyelash curler. It is.
Okay, so next she is curling her eyelashes. This is something I never do. Oh my god, where the hell? I think I got it. It literally did nothing to my lashes, so I am not even going to try it on the other lash. It did nothing. I'm not going to do this. Okay, let's see what she does next now.
What I like to do is, since I did the cream contour, I am going to use this palette.
Okay, so she is going in with a powder contour and just setting her face now. So we're going to do the same. So I'm going to be using this bronzer by MyGlam. I really like the color because it works for my skin. So just going to go over the cream contour. So this is done. No doubt my skin just looks amazing. Like, really looks flawless. But this is her routine for a work from home day. I mean, I am ready to go to the biggest event of my life right now in this much makeup. So yeah, I mean, it is Kim Kardashian, obviously it's not us. Let's see what she does next.
So this is a Shu Uemura 14 brush, and I love this color highlighter. Okay, so next up she is using a highlighter. Now I don't have a similar shade highlighter, so I'm going to use my eyeshadow instead. Jugaad 101 all the time. So I'm going to use this shade from my Manish Malhotra palette by MyGlam, because this color is pretty similar to what she used. So she did her nose. This is such a good, like, the color is so pigmented, so it is looking so nice. And this is it, and let's see what she's doing next. You guys, if you haven't already gotten my blush palettes, I think I'll use my shimmer blush today. I love the middle one.
Right now she used a shimmer pink blush, so I'm going to do the same. Obviously I don't have KKW, but I'm going to use whatever blush I have with me right now, so I'm going to get that. I have this shimmer blush. I am just going in. So let's see what she does next. So she's just used it to warm her eyelids. Okay, so now let's see what she does next.
And then if I want that extra shimmer, which I'll use like the lighter pink one.
Okay, so now she added a little more highlighter, which was pink shade. So I'm going to get another eyeshadow, which is pink, to do the same. Okay, so I'm going to use this pink shadow here and use it as a highlighter. So let's see what she does next now.
Now I'm going to show you guys something so cute that's not out yet. Beauty mascara. Oh my god, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
So next step is another favorite step of mine. I never skip it because that is mascara and I feel it is so important. But we have something which is equally good, which is the My Glam Twist mascara. So I'm going to use that. Okay, so we're done with our mascara and I am already loving this. So we're going to see what she does.
Oh, you know what? I do like to kind of repowder just a little bit. So I just will.
Okay, so she's just going over everything and setting it again. So she set her lip area because I think she's going to go in with a lipstick now, and then she set her entire face with a makeup fixer. So we're going to do the same. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to go in and set my face, and I'm using this makeup fixer by Faces. What is next?
Okay, now my favorite lip combo is Nude 1.5.
Okay, so next she's lining her lips. Another trick that she's just talking about is how one of her makeup artists, out of a lot of makeup artists that she has, fills in her Cupid's bow to make her lips look very fuller and very lifted. So I think that completely works because I recently started doing that and it completely works for me. So it is a little too dark, so I'm just going to blend it out.
Which lip combo will I do today? Do I want matte? Which then would be 90s Icon maybe?
Okay, so now she applied a little peachish nude lipstick. So I'm going to use one of my most favorite lipsticks that I have. It's this one from NYX and I really like it. I think it's a bit too peachy. I don't know if her lipstick is this peachy, but it looks a little more brown. So I'm going to add another color to this lipstick to make it a little browned out. So I have this lipstick from My Glam Manish Malhotra collection, and it's called Cocoa Butter, and it's a beautiful brown shade. So I'm going to add it. Just if you kiss the tissue paper, it takes away any extra product and makes it non-transferable. Any lipstick, trust me, you do this to any lipstick, it will become non-transferable to an extent, and it will also last longer. But then you see the finish just changes and it looks so much better, and this is going to stay you for like hours even if you eat and drink, and you know it's not going to transfer a lot. So yep, now let's see what she does next.
Last step, very important step, is brighten. I love to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit.
So lastly, she is going in with a translucent powder under her eyes again to brighten them up. So I am going to do the same. I'm using this one from Airspun. You can use anything, any translucent or white powder. I'm going to use it very lightly because I don't want to spoil this beautiful base I have right here. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, this looks better than this side. Okay, that is it. I think we're done. I think we're pretty much done. I will just see if she's going to do anything else now.
I at least feel honestly good about myself that I haven't stayed in my pajamas all day and that I actually got up. Looks kind of cute. Alright, I'm ready to go to my living room.
Okay, so yeah, this is it, and it is so true that we don't really get out of our PJs when we're working from home. So sometimes just putting on makeup and wearing decent clothes makes you feel so much better. So yeah, I mean, if you're having one of those low days where you're just like not feeling motivated enough, I would say get up, put on some amazing makeup, and I think it'll make you feel so much better, because I am feeling so much better right now after doing this whole routine with her, and I really like it. So if you like the final look, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also let me know in the comment section below what other looks would you like me to recreate or create. And because you love PopXO and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on some amazing beauty products, and all you have to do is sign up for the MyGlamXO Insider program and get ₹150 off whenever you shop from myglam.com or the MyGlam app. The link is down below, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO Daily.